This is Gwen from Hairbow Supplies, etc. Today we're going to make this Jojo hair bow. This is a 5-inch wide hair bow made from 2 1/4 ribbon. You'll need 40 inches of 2 1/4 ribbon, about 6 or so inches of 5/8 inch ribbon, a lined alligator clip, a lighter, needle and thread, and scissors. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I want you to cut your ribbon to 40 inches long and grab some hairspray. I just have some cheap hairspray I got at the dollar store. And then spray your ribbon all the way down from top to bottom. And then let that sit, and then let your ribbon stiffen a little bit. I let my ribbon sit overnight, and then my ribbon is nice and crisp, so it makes really, really nice loops for me. So take your ribbon, and you've got it just like this, and then flip over one of the edges like this, and then I want you to take your scissors and cut down along the edge to make a little angle here. And then get your lighter and seal the edges. Okay, now put this ribbon back the way it was originally, and then it's going to look just like this. Okay, now get a measuring tape and fold your ribbon down like this, and make sure that you've got 3 inches from the tip to the end, and then we're going to crease that. So this is going to be the tail. So just crease this down here. Okay, now take the bottom of your ribbon and pull it up, and then crease that part here. And then one more time, pull this up and fold and make that crease. And that's going to help you find where you want to make your bow. Now you'll open up your ribbon, and then you'll have these cute little creases, and this is exactly where you're going to be making your bow. So start here on the right, and you've got your first crease here, and then you're going to do your first fold in. So your creases are going to be on top of each other, and then you're just going to fold it in and make that loop here. Take your next crease, bring it over, right over to the left, and so you've got your creases looking like this. Now take and turn your bow. Go for your next crease, and then here you're just going to tuck this up underneath this part. Before here, you're just going to tuck under. Make sure that that crease lines up with the middle, and then it kind of sticks out. It's not folded, it's not going to be tucked all the way under, it's just slightly under. Just like that. And then take your last crease here and fold it into the left. So your bow will just look like this. Okay, now get your needle and thread. If you watch some of my older videos, you'll see how I take my thread and I loop 2 pieces of the ends of the thread into my needle, the eye of the needle, and then that way when you're have your end of your thread, it'll have this loop here on the bottom, and that way you don't have to tie a knot. So take your needle and put it right through the middle. Stop right there, and then pull it back through. And then put your needle through the loop here. So again, when you first put your thread through the needle, you'll put in the 2 ends, not just one. And now you will take your thread and wrap it around the center of your bow twice. Make sure it's nice and centered, and then you can start to pull and make your gather. Okay, so that should be gathered nicely. And then you take and wrap your thread around 2 or 3 times, maybe 4 if you want, and then pull and make sure that that's gathered in the back. And then you flip it to the back and take your needle and then just secure that through the back here. I like to do it a couple times. Get your scissors and cut. Okay guys, so this is what my bow looks like right now. It needs some work, and that's okay. We have our hairspray bottle, and what we're going to do is just spray the ends and spray the loop here, and then hold the loops open. I'm gonna flatten that out a little bit. Hold your loops open like this, and then hair dry it, and while you pull these loops open, and that'll make your loops nice and pretty. So let me go get my hair dryer. Okay, so this side is hair sprayed and hair dried, and this side is not, and it looks so much different. So let's do the other side. All right, so then you just hairspray it, and then you're going to pull this center out here like this and pull that out like that, and then we'll stick that under the hair dryer for a minute. Okay, so here's the bow, the way it looks now. And then I've got another cute little trick for you. So what we'll do is take our hot glue gun, and we're going to make sure that these little loops back here stay pretty wide. And so you kind of spread them out in the back here, and then you get a little bit of just a dab of hot glue. Okay, so that holds that open a little bit better. And then we'll do the same on this side. That looks better. Yay! Okay, so now we're ready to make the back. Get your 5/8 ribbon, and then what you'll do is just tie a little knot, so just wrap it around your fingers and pull it through. Okay, so then put some hot glue right in the center of your bow, and then put your knot right on top of that. And let that sit for a minute and dry. Flip it over to the back, and then we'll add our lined alligator clip. So just put some more hot glue, get your line clip, and then just place it on here. So what you'll do is you have your end here, and then once you have it pulled down, just go ahead and trim that to about right there, and then get your lighter and seal that edge without burning yourself. And then pinch open your clip. I'm gonna have to do this upside down. Pinch open your clip. Put some more glue, and then pull that up and over. And then we'll do the same with the other knot. You just pull that down. Get your lighter. Pinch open your clip. Whoa, that's a lot of glue. And then pull that end piece down. So that's it. That's how to make a 5-inch Jojo hair bow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye.